Part 2 of growing your own tomatoes. Another tip to maximize your harvests and yields is to prune off any suckering growth. That's any growth that you're going to see on your tomato that grows at about a 45-degree angle. Usually it grows between the stems and the leaves. You can pluck that off. That'll ensure that all that energy goes into producing fruit. The other addition is that you can do something that's called companion planting. It's when you plant herbs and other plants that may have an additional benefit to your tomatoes. They usually work as a deterrent to insects and bugs. You can plant things like basils with your tomatoes. The strong smell will deter any insects that may want to attack your tomatoes. I also have some tomatoes that are planted with parsley, spring onions. Anything with a strong herb smell will help to prevent any pests from attacking your plants. So as your plants begin to grow, you'll also want to make sure to stake them or cage them so that they have adequate support. My favorite thing to use is a little piece of Velcro plant tape. And for the more bushy ones, you can choose to cage them by simply adding a little cage. This will ensure that the branches grow out and have support to carry the fruit. Following these quick tips, you can ensure bountiful harvest, even growing tomatoes in a small container on a patio or balcony. For more quick tips and tricks, follow us at gardenersyards.com.